This is where AI can become dangerous in the real world. Every AI model, system, algorithm, whatever you want to call it, reflects the people that created it, and that includes their particular individual value systems. This means the data that is trained on, the people that fine tune these algorithms or these models, and any kind of corporate ideology that might belong to the company that is facilitating or overseeing the use and the training of these models. And whether they mean to or not, these models will inevitably lean in the favor of the people that created them and their own biases. And there are really four layers of bias that shape ideologies that go into these AI systems. The first level is the executives and the founders, right? The big dogs, the people with the money and the foresight for where they want a company or a particular model to go. Then underneath that, the second layer is the policy and safety teams. These are the people that are supposed to be protecting the company from getting sued, which we see doesn't really work out like that all the time. Then the next layer, you have the people that actually train the models themselves. And then the bottom level is the data engineers and anybody else that steps in to curate these models and really fine tune them. And these models, they just mimic the patterns that they are trained off of. So this could be any kind of books, academic articles, journals, newspapers, search results, Wikipedia, anything like that. And the very institutions that funded and publish some of this content and media are inherently biased. They are biased to Western influence and research, and they enforce the existing social power. And in practice, the history and the science behind some of these publications, this content, this media, reflects something called epistemic injustice. This term was actually coined by Miranda Fricker, who is a professor of philosophy at New York University. Now that we have a holistic understanding of how these models and these algorithms work, you could see the potential and how they could disproportionately harm certain people as opposed to others and contribute in discrimination in many ways.